Chapter 3 Healthy Eating. Hello P.4 Healthy Bugs. Welcome back to another week of flipped learning. So far we've had 3 online classes. I'm hoping you watched the videos and did your little work to help you remember the new chapters. Today we are starting chapter 3, which is more different from the other chapters, talking about places and things you can do. Now, can you guess what this chapter is going to be about? Today, boys and girls, we will be talking about food, specifically healthy food that we put or should be putting inside our bodies. If you're ready, please take out your 4B English book to page 23. Let's go through our content. So, we'll learn the vocabulary first, and starting next week, we will learn the sentence structure, do some reading, as well as recap of the whole chapter. So, let's look at the vocabulary first. The different types of food. First, we're going to talk about meat, which is defined as the flesh of an animal, typically a mammal or bird, as food, so things that you will eat. We have steak, which is from a cow. We also have beef. Now, beef is made from cow too. Next, we have chicken. Chicken is made for chicken, but the special thing is it's white meat. So white meat is actually a little bit healthier than red meat. Here we have lamb, which is made from sheep. We have pork, made from piggies. And we have salmon, which is made from fish meat, which is also another type of white meat. Next, let's go to vegetables. Vegetables are defined as a plant or part of a plant used as food. Here we have a carrot. Now, carrots are a great source of fiber and vitamins. That means they're very good for your eyes and your teeth. Let's look at some lettuce. Lettuce gives us calcium and vitamin. Broccoli gives us a lot of vitamins. And bell pepper, again, you guessed it right, gives us vitamins. Here we have peas. Peas are a good source of dietary fiber, so it means it helps you poop better. We also have potatoes, which has more fiber and vitamins, and then tomatoes that are antioxidant, which means it's good for your stomach. Now we will talk about fruit. Fruit is the sweet and fleshy product of a tree or other plant that contains seed and can be eaten as food. Let's look at some examples. We have cherries that can help you sleep better. We have lychees that have a lot of good vitamins inside. We have grapes that can help lower your blood sugar levels. And we have longans actually, which help to give you a good immune system, meaning that you can't get sick easily. Other fruits include strawberries, which are great in vitamin C, plums that can give you healthy bones, and guavas that can give you a better heart. And lastly, we have grapefruit, which is really good if you want to lose some weight. Let's move on to carbs. Carbs, the longer form, is called carbohydrates. Now, it can be into other categories, so we'll just go to that because it's easier. So we'll talk about noodles first. We have different types. We have rice noodles and egg noodles. Another type of carbohydrate is pasta. Here we have 2. The first one is macaroni, and the second one here are called spaghetti. Others category include, yeah, you guessed it, we have rice and bread. So carb is really interesting because it gives us the energy that we need. So if you just eat vegetable or meat, sometimes you don't have a lot of energy and you will feel hungry again. So that's why people usually have some sort of carbs like rice or bread or noodles with their food during lunch and dinner. Some even have it for breakfast. Now, let's go on to dairy. Now, dairy are things that are made from milk. Let's start off with milk. Now, milk most commonly comes from cows. They are high in calcium and protein and are great for your bones. Next, we have cheese. Not only do they taste delicious, but they have really good fats inside to make you stronger. And lastly, we have yogurt. yogurt is really good for you if you are not feeling well. There we have it, boys and girls. We went through the 5 types of food. Let's go back again, see if you can remember. We talked about meat, which increases your metabolism. Metabolism means that it can help you digest your food faster. So as in, like, the food will go in and go out of your body really, really fast. Next, we have vegetables, which have many fibers. We have carbs, which gives you a lot of energy. Fruit, that is high in vitamin, and dairy, that makes your bones stronger. Now, boys and girls, that is all for today. You did a great job. It was a really simple class because we only needed to go through the vocabulary. So, what I want you to do is I want you to think about some food that Miss Amina didn't talk about and write them down to see whether you can think of food that I don't know. And maybe when we're back in school, you can tell me. All right, then. I will talk to you next week. Stay safe and stay at home, kids. Bye.